Yo, what's up YouTube? We're back here again with a new video for you guys. This time we got the WRX and we have the Kuro 2.0. As you guys saw last video, the WRX did walk the RS. This should be a closer run because the Kuro is faster than the RS too. So let's see how it goes.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Yeah. Ah, shit! I got a cramp in my feet. Oh, shit.
Was I pulling the top end?
Yeah, you were pulling. Yeah.
Ready?
Go.
Yeah?
Yeah. What you think?
That was good, that was good. Ready?
Yeah.
You ready?
Dang, that was good. Yeah, go. This shit's tight, nigga.
I know it's tight. Alright guys, so there you have the runs. They're very close, as you can see. We had a little bit more space to like play with, so yeah. And man, bro, this WRX pull was pretty good. We didn't expect this thing to be that fast, and we actually thought this one was like the slowest one out of a lot of us, but this thing moves pretty good for only having 375.